What's going on, everybody? Rob here. We're in a Tractor Supply store. See right there? It's backwards. But this is the one in St. John. They didn't have the chickens at the one in Hobart or Maryville. They have the little chicken coop right here. That's the little chicken coop. But we're just going to go inside, take a look at the baby chicks and see how they sell them. I'm at the Tractor Supply store in St. John, Indiana. Okay, so I'm going to the back of the store. The guy told me that there's a pen in the middle where they have all the baby chicks. So I'm headed to where the baby chicks are, and they're in the stock pens right here. You hear him? You hear him? Gonna get a good. Let's see. Live chick purchases must be a minimum of 4 birds. Live duck purchases minimum of 2 birds. They have the boxes right there for when you buy them. The Universal Poultry Run, $700. $4.49 a chick for the bantams. Let's see, the Barrett Rock, $3.49. The Rhode Island Reds. I love the eggs that the Rhode Island Reds give.
You folks need some chicks?
No, 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 no. I'm just looking. My wife won't let me take them home. She probably take them in the basement and put me out. There's the Longhorn pullets, the premium pullets. Now the pullets are the sex ones already. Those are the ones that they know are females. The black diamonds, the guineas. The guineas are $7.49 each. I love the Wyandottes. I love the Wyandottes. And those are $4.49 each, and the black astrolop doesn't have a price on them. But this is at Tractor Supply store in St. John, and so I knew I want chickens. I really do want chickens, but I know we don't got the place for the chickens. And in Chicago, a lot of people have chickens now because if you get just females, they don't crow as loud. They do make sound, they do make noise, but they don't crow as loud. The males are the ones that crow really, really, really loud, and the neighbors don't like. But you could have 4 chickens from here. It'll cost you about $20, maybe $25. And then you can have all your eggs, but you're gonna have to, I mean, these are baby chicks. You need something that when they're a full-size chicken to keep them in. We had one chicken that actually roamed wild in the backyard, and we had it was with our pigeon coop. We thought it was a pigeon, but it was awesome. It was friendly, and when the sun would go down, it would go in with the pigeons to roost. Talk to you later. Don't forget, this is Tractor Supply store. We're in St. John, Indiana. The one in Maryville, Hobart doesn't have any more. The one in Valpo and St. John has these. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.